Welcome back to goldfries. In this video, we'll be looking at Kimtigo's DDR4 memory. Kimtigo, have you heard of the brand? I haven't. They approached me and well, I was delighted and I looked up their details. Apparently, their products have been for enterprise environment for quite a while and they're now coming into the consumer market. At least that's the impression I got when I read their profile. So they offered to send me their memory product. And I've chosen the Wolfrine simply because it is, I like the design. It has no ARGB LED. It looks sleek. It looks simple. Here, have a look. So it is very simple looking here on my ITX motherboard with a low profile cooler. As you can see, it is a nice looking low profile memory. Unlike the typical DDR heat spreaders, the one on the Kimtigo unit here is of a two-piece design, one heatsink on each side with the top left open. So this kit with me is a 3600 MHz model, 8 gigs on each stick at CL19. Now CL19 is a little behind the typical CL18 on XMP for a 3600 MHz memory. However, it works just fine and I managed to tune it to CL18 and yes, I ran blender tests and all that. It is stable, at least from what I see so far. So all in all, I think Kimtigo has potential. For example, this design, I like the design. Perhaps the branding, they can make it a little bit smaller and improve on the XMP speed to CL18 and perhaps tighter timings, then they'll be pretty good. And yeah, and what I haven't told you is that the chip is from Hynix, so it has potential there. Overall, good stuff from Kimtigo and I'm looking forward to try more products from them. Whether or not this brand is available in your country, I wouldn't know. However, I saw their products on listing on Newegg. That's all from me for this one. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the video useful and informative. If you like more of this kind of content, do check out the videos at the side and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.